We have a new pop-up fitting. It has a female adapter, so it's male to female. But there's something really special about this fitting. Actually, there's many things that are really special. Actually, this fitting's so special that we went ahead and we filed a patent for it. Now I can talk about it because that's all official. And, well, it's here. And you're going to see it in our videos. We're going to start using it for everything. So let me explain what this pop-up emitter fitting does, what it does really well. The problem we were having with the 90 is the water slams really hard and you lose the flow, and that's a problem. The rise on a 90, it's not enough. There's no room to put dirt and sod on top. Really hard. Contractors will tell you this. So what did we do? Well, as you guys know, we went ahead and we were using a sanitary tee upside down. That's right. Once again, we're taking a fitting from another discipline of plumbing and having to use it off script for a pop-up fitting. So this sanitary tee is upside down when you use it like this. But what did we gain when we did this? What we gained is the rise. We were able to have the perfect rise. No longer were pop-ups out of place, lawnmowers running them over and them just ending up out of place and off slope. This was ideal. All contractors love using an upside down sanitary tee for their pop-up emitters. Matter of fact, I believe this has been called and coined a percolation tee in the yard drain industry. And it's a sanitary tee that's upside down. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to improve the flow because the rise is spot on perfect. The rise is great. The rise, I'm talking about from here to here. That rise is ideal. So we got that right, and we learned that through using a sanitary tee. The only problem is they hold a little bit too much water, and even using them upside down and trying to get them to flow out, there is quite a bit of turbulence that you end up with right in here. This is not self-cleaning, and it does collect everything, and then you just clean it out. We wanted to go ahead and we wanted to make a self-cleaning fitting. So to do that, well, you can probably tell, this is called the French Drain Man's Not Quite a 90. You can see that it's angled. Here, you can really see it when you see the fitting with a pop-up emitter on it. So you want to have your pop-up emitter kind of tilted. So this is not quite a 90. We're cheating, guys. We tampered with it. It's off a few degrees. We doubled its flow rate, and we ended up coming up with a fitting that's self-cleaning. It's amazing that everything that flows through here, including tree buds and tree seeds, just come shooting out during a really hard rain. This is a female, so that was another thing that we fixed. Instead of a female to male, it really needed to be a male to female, so we accomplished that. We corrected for quite a few things, but this is pretty trick. I'm not going to talk about all the claims and all the details. I'm just going to reveal that much and let you know that this is a really cool pop-up fitting. It's made out of HDPE, so it can freeze thaw. It will expand if it is frozen, and it will contract at the thaw. So it's indestructible, and we're weaning ourselves off PVC. No more PVC, guys. PVC is extremely bad for the environment. There's soon to be regulations restricting the uses of PVC. Lawnmowers, really big, heavy lawnmowers, can drive over it, and it won't crack like PVC. Do not drill holes in this. You do not have to drill holes in this. All you have to do is connect your corrugated pipe and do not tile tape it. That way, the little bit of water that's left in this fitting will slowly leach into the subsurface soil. If you have any questions about this pop-up emitter, leave them in the comment section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video.